Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. How hard is it to maintain a high level of playing? Oh, that's a good question. That's one question that is very rarely asked, and I'm very happy to answer that because it will really clarify some things, and I think it's going to help a lot of people. So let's see. Compared to initially building the guitar playing skill, maintaining it is extremely easy, like really easy. And if I may say so, is much more fun. So basically, if you've been playing 6 hours per day for years to reach a high level of playing, once you reach your goal, you really don't need to maintain this kind of schedule of like playing for 6 hours a day, several hours of technical exercises. No, there's no reason for that. So what happens if you have been playing for 6 hours, you reach the level that you want, and now you just want to maintain? How much time do you need to play per day? You need, you can play as much as you want, but you will not need more than 30 minutes to maintain this high level of playing. And sometimes it can be even less, even like 20 minutes of practice per day should be able to maintain your level of playing. I am very sure that this will come as a big consolation to many people that are in the middle of their journey, and right now they might be intermediates and they're wondering if they will need to keep up this grueling practice schedule for their whole life. And the answer is no, you don't have to. Once you reach the point you want, you can just play 20 or 30 minutes per day and you're gonna be fine with maintaining this level. There are several players that reach a very high playing level and they still continue to play 6 hours or 5 hours or 4 hours, and that's perfectly fine because they want to get even better, or actually even better. That's what they enjoy. They enjoy playing their guitar for 4, 5 or 6 hours per day, and once again, perfectly fine. But you don't need to do that to maintain your playing level. Let me give you an example. Let's suppose you need to open a new road in your property, like you have a property and you need to open a road. Now, when you're initially building and opening this road, you have to do a lot of work. You have to get out all the rocks, you have to maybe take away some trees, cut them down, then you have to fill in with the cement and whatever else you need to do to build a road. Once the road is built though, you only need very minimum maintenance to keep it operational. This is very similar to what happens with the guitar and pretty much with just about every other skill. The difficulty is in the steps from when you first get started up to the point where you reach your goal. This is the hard, the grueling part where you have to practice for many hours and trying to find all the kind of different ways you can get better. But once you reach this point, it's really easy to maintain that level. That of course creates the following problem. People that are in the middle of their journey and they see someone who has reached his destination, they see him just playing half an hour a day and they say, oh, this is what I should be doing. I should be playing half an hour a day, because they don't understand that this person is at the maintenance phase of his journey while they're on the building phase of their journey. But this is another subject for a different episode. So there you have it. If you want to maintain your playing, you will only need 20 to 30 minutes per day. You can play as much as you want, but you will not need more than 30 minutes. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, have fun shredding.